Welcome back, guys. This is Makeup with Weta. Thank you all so much for the support in my previous video. I hope you guys give me the same support in this one. I am very excited to go ahead and start off this video. If you guys love what I do, like my videos, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and leave me a comment down below. So in my previous video, I did start off with my eyeshadow first. Today I actually went ahead and I just outlined the bottom part of my eyebrow. And starting off with concealer, I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This time I made sure I added a little more so I can go ahead and make that eyeshadow color pop. I went ahead and I spread it out with my concealer brush, and now I am using my beauty sponge to make sure all that is blended correctly. So for this look today, I am using the Juvias palette, the Tribe. The colors, I'm going to go ahead and list them down below. So I went ahead and I started off with the sand color, making sure I applied that all over my lid. I made sure I packed that color enough so I can go ahead and blend that out. Now using like a greenish, bluish tone, I went ahead and I packed that in my crease. And grabbing like a lighter lighter green, sort of lime green, I went ahead and I grabbed my blending brush and I started blending that color in. Doing the same thing to the other eye. I also added a little bit of an eyeshadow from the Subculture Palette from Anastasia. And off camera I went ahead and I prepared my first eye. I went ahead and I cut my crease again with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. And I am using again that concealer brush. Now I am packing it with a colored mustard yellowish orange color from that Subculture palette. Again, I will be putting the colors down below in the description box. After I go ahead and I finish with that color from the Subculture palette, I go ahead and I grab another orange kind of shimmery color that comes in the Tribe palette. And grabbing my blending brush, I go ahead and I blend that green out on the ends. Grabbing my Duo Lash Glue, the green one, I do buy the green one. I went ahead and apply that to my crease, adding a little bit of glitter. I went ahead and I did a glitter liner above my crease. And now with the megaliner from Wet n Wild, I went ahead and I created my wing. Now I'll go ahead and I move it to my eyebrows to finish them up. I am using a mixture of the dark brown and the soft brown pomade from Anastasia. And I am using that Morphe brush that I used in the previous video. Now I'm going ahead and clean out my eyebrows. I'm using that Juno Beauty Blender, I'm going to go ahead and smooth those rough edges. I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes with my curler, my eyelash curler. And now applying my lashes, I am using, again, the Aliexpress G805 lashes. Now for primer, I am using the Cover FX Blurring Primer. This is like the primer that I use when I want to look all glammed up the whole night. I love this primer. And using the Wet n Wild and a little bit of that NYX Total Drop Foundation. Spraying a little bit of my pomade on my beauty sponge so I can go ahead and blend everything out. And now with the FitMe loose powder and the color 15, I am applying that under my eyes. I actually applied that on my forehead. Again, if you guys remember from the previous video, I do apply a little bit by my eyebrows, making sure that actually bakes. Now with my butter bronzer from Physicans Formula, I'm going to go ahead and contour my face. Using my finger, I went ahead and I sculpted my nose. And now that same green intense color, the greenish bluish color that I used for my crease, I am using that in my under eye. And I am using this lime color, this yellowish, greenish color. Can I tell you guys a secret? I actually bought the palette just for that color. Just for that color. And if you guys do remember, I did mention that I do have the whole Juvias collection, but I was interested in that color. Now from that same palette, I'm using like a shimmery tone, like a pearl color. Now using the same blush I used in the previous video, I do want to correct myself. It is not called Desert Rose, it is called Make Them Blush. Now setting my face with my Compamario spray, I went ahead and I applied that all over my face. And now I am ready for highlight. The reason why I did the spraying before the highlights was because specifically this highlight is not as intense. So I do have to wet either the brush or my face for that highlight to actually pop out. Now for lips, I am using a Maybelline lipstick. Again, I will put the color in the description box. And I actually didn't do this in camera, but after I applied this color, I applied a little bit of the Dose of Colors, the Bear, the one that I used on the previous video, more like a nude color. I used it on top of this one and it made the color that I actually have on my Instagram picture. Do you guys ever feel like it's very hard to pick a lip color? Let me know down below if you guys think so. Apply mascara on my eyelashes and my under eye eyelashes. this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys loved it. Please let me know what you guys think of this look. Let me know which one has been your favorite from all my videos. If you guys have any more suggestions, please let me know. I know you guys have given me suggestions before, and I will get to them. I feel like this is going to be the year where I'm going to be actually doing everything you guys asked me for. Thank you all so much, and thank you for watching.